Good morning, everyone. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style. And now on this channel, I do feature natural hair care. So if you are into that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell to this channel. That way you will never miss a video. So I am so excited. Today is Monday, but y'all know that I will post this on Wednesday. I got my Tory Burch purse in that I had been stalking forever. So this will be my very first unboxing, so we will see how this will go, and it's going to be my very first Tory Burch handbag. I do have a pair of shoes from her. They are comfortable and they are gorgeous, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so an unboxing video would not be an unboxing video if you did not have a story time. This story is very basic because I am so glad that I actually found the purse. So basically, I saw this purse the very first time on Shopbop. Like I said, it was $7.98. It is the big one. They do have a small, I believe that was $5.98, and then they have the wallet on chain. I went into the Tory Burch store to try on the small, and it was just too small. So I figured for the $200 more, get an actual size where you can fit things in. The wallet on chain was simply that, wallet on chain. It was just too small, and it's not what I was looking for. So I got the Tory Burch Eleanor bag. It is like the croc effect, and it does have the gold hardware. But the reason why I love it is because it has the gold chain as well. I did not want the leather strap. So by the time I finally pulled the trigger, I want to say this was Monday. This was last Monday, because y'all know I just came off of an assignment. So what's the first thing I do, of course, is go to the mall. I woke up that morning and I saw that the purse or the size that I wanted was not on the website. So I was thinking to myself, I said, okay, well, I've simply just waited too long. I saw the small on the website, and then I saw the wallet on chain. I said, okay, well, I have some errands to run. Let me go ahead and run to the mall. I run to the mall. They don't have it. What they say is that of this bag that I'm getting ready to show you, they actually only got one in, and it was bought the exact same day. But she did allow me to try on the small of this version, and then she allowed me to try on the full size in a different color and a different pattern. That's not what I was looking for. So of course, you know, I'm kind of sad when I leave. I do a little bit more shopping. I picked something up from Banana Republic. Y'all saw that haul. And then I come home and something told me to check eBay. So I type in what I'm looking for, and it was the very first purse that popped up. It said NWT, which if you don't know eBay lingo, that means new with tags. So I click on it immediately. It's the last one, and I bought it. That's really the story. Like I said, it's a very basic story, but that's how I came to get the purse. And it probably just meant to be, because, you know, on eBay, depending on what you're looking for, things sell out so fast, but I'm just assuming that it was meant for me because I bought it. So without further ado, and y'all know I want to get my natural reaction, so I have not worn this purse. I got it today. Y'all know this video is going to be posted on Wednesday, but I got it today, which is Monday. So tomorrow on Tuesday, I will be wearing this purse. But it came like this. Like I said, I bought it off of eBay. Great seller. I sent the money. She sent the purse. Like this. I'm gonna open it, and it came like this. Beautifully packaged, and then it's just a note basically explaining her return policy. So came like this, and then on this little sticker right here it says thank you. Oh, there's the, well, I mean, it did say new with tags, so there's a dust bag. Came like this. So I just took this off, and then here is the dust bag, and then the dust bag has a little emblem on it, and the dust bag emblem still has the plastic on it. So I'm truly hoping that this is new with tags. All right, so it is this bag right here. How gorgeous is this bag? This is exactly what I was looking for. Now, typically, I am not a fan of like huge emblems or huge logos on the purse or on any of like my clothing articles or pieces, but this is done so beautifully that it just, I love it. I absolutely love it. So let's open a little bit more. So it opens like this. We'll take this out. This as well. This really is new with tags. Okay. And then the chain. So. And then here's the tag right here. And then let's take this off of the chain. Time. So here it is right here. So like I said, you have the Tory Burch emblem, and then you have the croc embossed, and then you have the strap. Love it. So you can either do it double or you can do it single, and then just the detailing. So here is the strap up close. It's like a braided gold. Let that focus a little bit. And then even on this little piece right here, I don't know if you can see, they have the Tory Burch emblem. But yes, I love this purse. So let's see. This is the exact same size that I tried on in the store. Yes, love this. It's the perfect size. I thought it was gonna kind of swallow me, but I tried on the small one and it just looked funny. So this is the perfect size, okay? And then here is single. And for reference, I'm 5'2", I'm short. Let me back up a little bit more. And then here it is, crossbody. Okay. Now, let's look in the inside. So, here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. So you're going to open it, and this is, it's a clasp, and it's metallic. So let's see if we can open it this way, like that. And then you'll hear it snap. So like that, and then you open it. It is a large pocket right here. Then you have a zipper that comes in right there. And then there's kind of like a secret pocket back there. Oh, more paper. Okay. And then you have one right here. Then you have one right there. But yes, I love this purse. It is going to go with so much in my closet, especially spring is basically over. The first day of summer is the 20th. So spring is basically over. We're all, shopping and looking for summer pieces, but I love this purse. Like I said, I had been stalking it. I was getting ready to pull the trigger that day, but then I woke up and it wasn't on the website. So I went in, didn't see it, got on eBay, and I got lucky. So yes, I am very, very happy. Okay, and it's kind of like an accordion style, just a little bit. So you have this flap, you have the basic, or you have the box of the purse, and then you have this back flap. But yes, I love this. So more than likely, I will probably carry this for like a good 3 weeks, and then I will do a review on it. Just basically, how it carries. Is it kind of heavy? How does it wear? What fits in it? All of that. I will do a full bag review. But yes, and even just holding it up like this is a very well-made bag. I mean, this bag is not flimsy. It's very structured. It's very boxy. And if you don't know, that is what most of my purses are. Most of my purses are top handle. And if they are not top handle, even though they are crossbody, they are very structured. But yes, I love this bag. So we shall see in a good 3 weeks, because more than likely I will be carrying this every single day. I know I will be carrying it tomorrow, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. My first unboxing, my first Tory Burch bag. Hopefully, what I'm hoping for, because she had some other gorgeous colors in the store, what I'm hoping for is to get this bag, this exact Eleanor bag, in like a different color. I was asking the SA if they were going to come out with more colors. There was like a gorgeous Easter egg blue that I don't, and you know, that would probably be my most unconventional bag, and I say that because of the color. But once I actually get my Chanel medium caviar gold hardware, once I get that bag, I think I'm going to start getting into different colors and textures when it comes to my bags, because now I have this color, I have a brown, I have a couple of blacks, I have a gray one, I have burgundy. So I think after that, it'll be time to have a little bit of fun with my bags. But yeah, that's this one. That is this video. It is my very first unboxing. I am so excited to carry this. I'm going to need to see if I can get it treated, because again, I'm a klutz and I already foresee something either rubbing off, spilling, or something. So I will be checking a couple of websites to see if I can get this treated. But that is all that I have for you guys today. I want to remind you that I upload videos here every Wednesday and Sunday. You know, right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.